cooking video today. We are making raspberry cheesecake bars. Hi! We are on the way to Ingles, but we're going to Dunkin' because Starbucks is closed.
But don't be fooled, that is our #1 choice.
And then we're going to Ingles and we'll do a little montage there. And then later we are doing a cooking vlog.
Raspberry cheesecake bars.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I was gonna say that.
Go ahead.
Ta-da!
Macarons on Dunkin', what can I get started for you?
Hi! Can I start with a dozen donuts?
We'll have any plain glazed grapes.
Oh, that's okay.
We've got strawberry with sprinkles
That'd be great.
and plenty of blueberry left.
Sure, that sounds good.
Stupid. Just get 4 kinds.
Medium iced coffees, caramel with, and then 2 of them with extra cream and sugar.
3 medium iced coffees.
That's your kind of man. One time she told me that the boy that she's talking to is too nice and she needs somebody to be a little mean to her.
Not mean, but like.
Not so like,
Disrespectful.
good morning, beautiful.
No, that's
Ew.
not. No, but like, not just like they have to joke around with me.
Yeah.
And be a little bit sarcastic.
Let's talk about our ideal
Are you
man.
blind and
They have
test?
to be nice and sarcastic. That's it. I mean, he was funny when I liked him, but when I realized I didn't like him, his
Annoying.
jokes were horrible.
Have a good night. Hubba hubba.
Oh, there's
Yow!
Oh, he has a wife. Those are for tomorrow.
I know, I'm not actually.
She's
gonna
touching
eat
them all!
Oh! Hey, put the donuts down.
Get your grubby paws off of our delicious
We're gonna.
snack.
I love those cars. Are a Trent car. One of my friend's dad is Trent, and he has the car. And like every time I see it, I'm like, that's a Trent car. Maggie. Hey, Maggie. I love your dad's car and your dad.
Okay, we're going into the store.
Yeah.
We might do some vlogs in there, and then if not, I'll see you after for our baking extraordinaire. Cheers. Cheese.
Yum.
It actually scoops very nice. We're going to crush them up and make a crust, and then put them in here. Bella, should we use the square one?
Right now I'm crushing cookies for the house.
There's some stray chocolate chips in there.
Something was in my throat and it made me gag.
Okay.
Not frozen.
Never frozen. I'm gonna turn off.
Baking at
Nighttime.
9. It is currently 9:31. Me and Lemmy don't go to bed till like,
Midnight?
yeah, at least.
Really
But it's
warm.
my spring break now.
And it just was my spring break, so we kind of didn't have anything to do.
But we're quarantined, so it's not like we're going anywhere.
True. Not showing you the goods. It's just the gluten-free dog treat cookies and non-dairy butter.
Oh my god. No.
To like a thicker consistency, but like it's still like kind of watery. Also, this is my sister Bella. I didn't introduce anybody in my vlog, and that was probably confusing because there were like 12 characters running around, and they were just like doing weird things, and I didn't say anyone's name. So
Little backstory. We have 7 kids. Oldest to youngest. Maddie. Libster. Did I see the ages? Maddie, 21. Libby, 19. Emmy, 17. Jack, 14. Me, 14. Gregory's 12.
also called Scoop and Georgery.
And he's 12. And Teddy is 10. And yeah, he's the youngest.
We need to. It's a little
Yum.
chunkster now.
This
Ask me
is
some
chili.
questions for them to get to know me.
How old are you?
19.
What grade are you in?
About to be a sophomore in college. I'm in my 2nd semester of freshman year, but it's canceled, so I'm rounding up.
What sports did you play or have played before you went to college?
Soccer for my whole life, and then basketball, cross country, and track. Never did volleyball, never did lacrosse, never did gymnastics,
Softball.
never did softball. This is an excuse of a crust. What are your opinions on... It's not my cup of tea. I don't think I've ever had a vape, but mostly like having strict parents, sorry mom, sorry dad, like makes that decision for you. It wasn't like, oh, let me go like decide if I should vape or not. It was like, you're not vaping, don't even think about it.
Are you seeing anyone right now?
No.
Oh.
unfortunate.
We both have our hose.
I don't have any hose.
Family dump truck, are you guys doing?
Making cheesecake.
You're mashing the crust.
Way to not do it anymore?
No.
This is
Is
Ryan.
Is the mashing tide?
And here.
Prada.
I'll be done for my number. Okay.
For all my fellow thick people out there, I know who you are. Do I have the hack for you? Put your knees down, roll your hips around. We're gonna switch the angle in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Now we're gonna do some raspberry reduction.
While she's cooking that, I'm going to make cream cheese filling.
Okay, so all the directions said is to like cook them until they start to like reduce and then strain it through a strainer and then just like save the juice. Okay, we're getting some progress on this reduction. Right now it's like a softy blend.
3/4 cup granulated
This is how we're looking right now, and it says to put it back in the pan and let it thicken up a little bit.
Yum. I'm making a cream cheese filling. It has cream cheese, egg, sugar, vanilla extract, and zest of lemon. No. Pound cake batter.
So here we have the crust that we've already baked for 10 minutes, cheesecake like mix, and then we have the reduction that goes on top. Yes, that looks so good. Uh-oh.
Swirl it.
Yeah, that's how you do it. You can use the spatula. Oh, don't make it fully creamed.
Light golden brown around the edges, and the middle is still slightly wobbly when you shake the baking tin. And then transfer into the fridge for at least 1 hour before
This process will be done at 1 a.m.
out.
Oh my gosh, the heat. Beware. And we'll get back to you when it's cooked. She's out, folks, and she looks good. Cheese. Oh, saran wrap goes crazy. Next to the eggs. Mwah. Bye, baby.
Good morning. We just woke up and it's time to unwrap them. Look at these. Look delicious.
This one's kind of small, but yeah. Whoa. Oh my gosh. This is a smashing success. Cheers.
Do you want to
Ding.
Sure. It's a cheesecake.
That's what I want every year for my birthday. And it's gluten-free.
Thank you. Very
Thank you for
surprised.
watching this video. I'm so glad it was a success. If you want this recipe, I'll link the Pinterest down below. Talk to you later. Bye.